Jasmy is preparing for a massive move, and in this video we are going to be covering exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy coin once again. I'm also going to be telling you my price targets which I have for Jasmy for the immediate short term. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe to me if you are new, because that will be really appreciated, and we are getting closer and closer to 2000 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me if you could get to that before this month ends. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the charts which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and as you can see, or say for those of you who are new, I just want to repeat that right over here I believe was the bear market low for Jasmy at a price of about 0.0026. From this moment onwards, we pumped up impulsively in wave number 1 and started to form this massive Elliott wave triangle towards the upside. This Elliott wave move consists of 5 waves towards the upside. So the first wave towards the upside, second towards the downside, third towards the upside, fourth towards the downside, and the fifth towards the upside once again. Now this has been my long-term perspective for Jasmy for the longest time now, and as you can see we are following this pattern pretty perfectly, to be pretty much honest. So guys, I personally believe that right now we are in this third wave of this massive Elliott wave structure, and I have repeated this previously on my channel as well, but I don't believe that we are going to be going up in a straight line just like we are seeing in this chart pattern right over here. Just like here you can see that in wave number 1 we did not really go up in a single wave, but instead we had formed 5 waves towards the upside. So if we take this wave as a starting of the first wave ended right over here, second wave towards the downside, third wave towards the upside, fourth wave towards the downside, and the fifth and final wave towards the upside. This has been how Elliott waves play out. They don't really go up in same kind, and that is exactly what I believe is going to be happening inside this third wave as well. So guys, right over here you can see if we take this bottom of the second wave, you can say this was the starting of wave number 3. We pumped up impulsively in wave number 1, came down in a wave number 2, and right now we are in this wave number 3. Now guys, I do believe that in this next wave which we are currently in right now, I do expect that we are going to be breaking this resistance level which was the wave 1 high right over here, and even going beyond this level. After that, I do expect that we are going to be turning this resistance level right now into a massive support level, and we are going to be retesting it once again. However guys, if we don't really break out of this down below, I do expect that the rally for Jasmy will continue, and we are going to be seeing some massive price ahead. Now guys, let me cover my price targets, but before that I just want to show you the Fibonacci retracement levels which are showing us something really interesting. So guys, in my last video I told you all that the resistance level which we had to break was located around 0.0063. We basically broke above this resistance level, and as you can see we tried to test this resistance level right over here at a price of about 0.0068. From this moment onwards, at this moment we are seeing a bit of a fall, and we are trying to retest it again and again, which I personally believe is a really good sign for Jasmy in the immediate short term, because if we break above this resistance level, I do expect that we are going to be testing out these support areas right over here at about 0.0075. Now if we manage to break above this, I do expect that breaking above this resistance level located around 0.0083 is going to be really easy for Jasmy to do, and then we can expect some even higher prices for Jasmy for the immediate short term. Now guys, let me tell you my price targets which I have for Jasmy for the immediate short term. Now guys, from this price moment onwards, I do expect that the price of Jasmy can go to this level right over here, located at about 0.010. Now in order to achieve this move, we are going to be seeing a massive rally which is about a 63%. Now for those of you who are not really following altcoins in general, I just want to clarify that this much amount of move is certainly achievable for Jasmy and for any other altcoin out there in just a matter of days or in just a matter of hours as well. Now my long-term target for Jasmy still remains the same, and it's located around 0.015. Now this has been the two targets which I have for Jasmy, because right now we are seeing some bullish movements in the market, and even though Bitcoin and Ethereum have had a rally, we haven't really seen altcoins rally that much, and that is the primary reason why I think that altcoins like Jasmy are going to be going up really significantly up in price in the coming days. Now guys, let me show you guys some of the indicators which are showing us something really interesting as well. So guys, right over here I have the RSI opened up, and as you can see, we formed a two highs right over here. However guys, right now we are coming down, and this basically shows us that right now we are in this cooling phase, and we are just cooling off the indicators before pushing up towards the crazy highs of the RSI located around 80, 70 or even 90s level. Now right now we are at about 60, 65 level, which, to be completely honest, is located in the higher regions of the buying. But if we check out the MACD indicator right over here, this is what is supporting our theory as well. So even though the RSI has been climbing, you can see that the MACD indicator is not really stopping at all, and after seeing this huge selling pressure right over here, we have been getting a lot of buying pressure for Jasmy ever since then. We haven't really seen any sort of bearish candle for like about 2 to 3 days, or say about 4 to 5 days, which is really good to know for the project in general, because more people are getting interested to buy the project instead of selling this, and this is a really good thing for the project, which is really new as compared to some of the other projects out there like Bitcoin or say like Ethereum in general. So guys, in the end, I just want to say that things are looking pretty bullish for the markets in the upcoming short time. I do expect that the rally for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for all of these altcoins is on its way, and it's gonna be here very soon, and sooner than most of you guys might even think. So make sure you guys stack up as soon as possible. Just DCA your money into altcoins if you're interested in the project, because a huge lockup is also coming, which is gonna be reducing the circulating supply to like by about 35 billion. Actually, the 35 billion tokens is going to be locked up, so only 15 billion tokens are going to be left in circulation, which is a drastic reduction in the circulating supply, and that is going to be driving the price of Jasmy towards the upside if it ever happens. Even though the team has commented on it, I'm not really sure when they are going to be executing it, or what's the timeline for it. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money in the crypto markets, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now, I have already mentioned this in the starting of my video as well, but guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which have helped me to make some serious amount of money, and the main objective of my trade signal group is for you guys to make money as well. In the past, we have been really successful, but I don't really like to portray the past wins which I have been able to get, because those wins are now in the past, and right now we are in the future, and we have to make some pretty significant gains in order to make sure that we are achieving our monthly targets, and that is what I am aiming to achieve in there. Apart from the trade signals, I also post technical analysis. I also post business opportunities, coins which are personally on my radar, my portfolio, and many other things. So make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you guys will be getting from the group is going to be much further than this. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Jasmy update. Peace out.